Welcome to this module on lighting techniques. In this module, we shall discuss about various sources of light and how lighting is done in studio. We shall also discuss the various objectives of lighting in video production. We know that lighting is an important component of video film production. All video cameras require a certain amount of light to produce standard image. Let us now discuss the various purposes and objectives of lighting in a video program. Number 1. To fulfill the technical requirement of the system. The lighting must provide a sufficient level of illumination for camera to produce the image faithfully. Number 2. To provide 3D perspective. The depth in a scene can be enhanced by proper use of light to emphasize on texture, size and shape. Number 3. To direct attention to important element in a scene. The use of light and shadow can reveal and conceal the important element in a scene. Number 4. To establish mood of a scene. Through lighting, we can create various moods in a scene. For example, dark shadow lighting conveys feeling of mystery and depression, and brightly lit scene depicts the mood of happiness, gaiety and fantasy. Number 5. To fix time of action. Lighting establishes the time of the day, whether it is morning, noon, evening or night. Now let us discuss what light is and what are the quality of the light produced by different sources. Light is an electromagnetic radiation which is produced by either natural sources like sun and moon or by various artificial sources of light. The quality of light may be either hard or soft. Hard light is intense, directional and create strong shadows. Smaller the effective light emitting area, harder the light source. Hard light reveals the texture of a subject. We can have hard light through artificial light source, for example, Fresnel spotlight. The light emitted by Fresnel spotlight is directional, casts strong shadow and reveals the texture of the subject lighted. On the other hand, soft light is diffused, spread uniformly in all directions and produce soft shadow. On a cloudy day, when sky is overcast, the light emitted by the sun is dispersed and then soft light is produced. We have some artificial soft light sources like softy and broad light. These lights spread uniformly. Artificial soft light can be created by scattering light by diffusion, reflection or multiple sources. Soft light creates diffused shadows. These lights are used to illuminate the shadow areas without creating additional shadows. Soft light reduces the unwanted texture. This light produces attractive delicate modeling effect on the subject. Soft light is also used for shadowless illumination. Before we actually learn the techniques of lighting, let us familiarize ourselves with some of the lighting instruments used in studio. Fresnel spotlight. In any studio, Fresnel spotlight is commonly used. Some of the commonly used Fresnel spotlights are 2 kW solar, 1 kW baby. These lights have focusing ability. They produce a even light beam which is ideal for illuminating performance sets and background areas. 2 kW soft light, which is also known as softy. These light is commonly used as filler light. 1 kilowatt broad light. This light produces medium hard light. Strip light. These lights are rows of light cabinet, thus having multiple sources of light. These can be fitted with colored gels to produce colored lighting effects. These are used to illuminate large area of set or cyclorama. Porta kit. Porta kit is a lightweight portable lighting kit for location lighting. The Porta kit contains porta light, porta stands, reflective silver umbrellas and other accessories. Let us know some of them. Porta light produces medium soft light. This can be fitted with silver umbrella to produce diffused light. The porta light can also be fixed on doors, windows, tables, etc. There are special accessories which are used to hang the porta light. Let us now discuss how lighting is actually done. 3-point lighting. The standard lighting uses 3-point approach, that is a key light, a fill light and a backlight to illuminate a subject. Key light. Key light is principal source of illumination for a scene. It serves as reference point against which all lights are positioned and balanced. Fresnel spotlight is generally used for key light because it produces hard directional beam of light and creates modeling to the subject. Fill light. Fill light is used to lighten the shadow cast by key light. The fill light is positioned on the opposite side of camera where the key light is positioned. The quality of fill light is soft and diffused. Backlight. Backlight is used to separate the subject from the background. Backlight produced a rim of light on subject's shoulder and head. Fresnel spotlight with controlled beam is used for backlighting the subject. So we have seen the principal subject is illuminated by using key, fill and backlight. So dear friends, we hope that this module helped you to understand some basics of lighting in video film production. In our next module, we shall explain some of the special lighting techniques. Thank you.